morning, welcome to Recarving Nature. I've decided to have a go at a badger. I've not done one before, first time, so I've done a time-lapse video just as I've carved it, so I hope you enjoy it. If you can get any information for yourselves from it, that's great. But if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be fantastic, help a growing channel out, and I'll leave you with the rest of the video.
On the beat.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, I said